Cebu City. I went to Jollibee. Christmas, Merry Christmas from Cebu City. Here in Las Vegas. Then the Jollibee right there. Red Ribbon. Jollibee right next to Red Ribbon. Yeah. Christmas here. Let me see, I'm going to the store inside. Cebu City. And then that's the new thing now, Global Filipino Advantage app, SFC. There's a new app here in Cebu City. See? I already downloaded my app last 2 weeks ago. So yeah. Order later to use my rewards. So Chowking right there. Chowking. Yes, Cebu City. Cebu City. Cebu City. Filipino store here in Las Vegas, the Cebu City. Pinoy ng Pinoy, the music. So celebrating the Filipino goodness. Okay. Oh. Cebu City. Okay. Music is Pinoy na Pinoy. Watch. Christmas na hero, stars, rice. I may have to buy rice. Tingnan ko kung ano, we'll see what's the deal. Kasi I have to use my rewards. Dami oh, pansit dyan oh. Mga prutas doon oh. Mga vegetables. Dami, mga breads, mga pandesals. See, mga pandesal over here. You see the pandesals? Pandesal over there. Mga breads oh. It's a lot of... Wow. I want pandesal. Sure is big. Opo. Ayan. I try. Oh. Bok choy. One bok choy. You say my heart will be broken. Star, Pinoy star, plastic parol. Oh wow. Cute, no? I want the bok choy. I'm gonna get that. Hey guys, hello. Thank you, Cebu City. Merry Christmas, everyone. Advance. Cebu City. Bye-bye. Christmas tree. Thank you guys. Bye, Cebu City. Maybe chicken joint, spaghetti. Let's eat. Guys, I'm here at the Jollibee. Jollibee spaghetti. And fried chicken, Jolly. Chicken, enjoy. Chicken joy spaghetti, Jollibee. Just finished my diagnostic test, so I went to Jollibee because I was hungry for 10 hours, no food. Thank you, Jollibee. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye, Jollibee. Gotta go. Guys, I'm at Jollibee. Jollibee here in Cebu City. I just finished eating my chicken joy and spaghetti. Bye, Jollibee. See you later. Guys, I'm at Jollibee. Jollibee here in Cebu City. I just finished eating my chicken joy and spaghetti. Bye, Jollibee. See you later.